Welcome to drillingcontractor.org. My name is Jesse Maldonado, and joining me today is Tim Sheehy of Verdandi Technologies. Thank you for joining us.
You're welcome. Glad you could host us.
So Drill Edge, that launched in 2010. Could you tell us about the technology?
Yes, very simply, Drill Edge is using a case-based reasoning technology, and the approach we take is, as most of your listeners or viewers will know, when we have a drilling problem, typically we go back and analyze that problem, and we can see the worst symptoms leading up to the issue that could have been seen in ideal circumstances ahead of time, but for whatever reason weren't. People are busy at the rig. So what we do is a two-stage process of code. First, we look for the symptoms and see can we write code to detect the symptoms, and then the collection of symptoms that led up to the problem, we watch for those in real time. So when we see those similar types of situations happening again, we can warn the crew and the office operations, this might be starting to happen again. And therefore, here's your best practices and your policies to prevent that happening again. That's Drill Edge in a nutshell.
So I understand that you've recently expanded the Drill Edge capabilities. Can you talk a little bit more about that?
That's right, Jesse. What we've started to do just in the more recent past, since January in fact, is roll out a software such that we improve drilling efficiency rather than merely prevent problems. We had a very well-attended and very good response to a webinar we did with the Hess Corporation, looking specifically for them at using MSE to detect mud motor failure after a problem with the auto driller. And like I say, we've already published that webinar with Hess and have shown substantial real savings.
So how many rigs is Drill Edge on, and what is the future?
So currently we're typically in the order of 80 rigs per day, 80 wheel-time operations. Of course it goes up and down a little bit. And we've been in that mode, 80 or so, for more than a year. Of course we're always expanding, always getting more rig count. And the future immediately is probably to expand our ability to prevent problems. Things like damaging bits, bit wear, bit efficiency, motor efficiency. We're going more into not merely preventing bad things to happen, but ensuring that drilling is done at the best possible performance, reaching the technical limit or expanding the technical limit.
Well, thank you so much for joining us, Tim.
Okay, you're most welcome.
And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.